because of those uncles and aunties who will definitely ask them about their career, or maybe तुम्हारा शादी कब है, when are you getting married? Okay, so these might be two reasons why most of the teenagers don't attend weddings. One of my students have this problem not being able to present in front of the class. Why? Because she thinks that what will my friends think about me? What if they will make fun of me? What if I go wrong? So these kind of thoughts make her stay back and lets her down and not able to perform that particular presentation. Even if you have the same problem of what people think and what can I do about it, then this video is for you. Now, first of all, most of the teenagers have this problem. What will my friends think? And even for the adults also, we are so dependent about the society. So we live in a society where society's opinion, their views matter a lot. So we are somewhere wired, the roots are somewhere where the society is important. Okay, so now let me tell you that if you think what people will think, then what will people think? So that thinking part is people's job. Let them talk whatever they want to. Now most of us must be wondering that people talk behind you. Now there are two reasons why people might talk behind you. One is that they are not able to reach your level. Okay. The second is you are living that person's dream life. Your reality life is that person's dream life. These are the two factors, according to me, why people talk behind you. If you feel this is correct, you can just write it in the comment box. Correct, I agree. Okay. Now coming back to the criticism part. Now criticism is also called feedback. Okay, one more word is feedback. You can term it as feedback. Now there are two types of feedback. One is constructive, one is destructive. So constructive is positive, destructive is negative. And there is one more part which I'll just cover it in a few minutes now. Now this positive, you have to genuinely check for honest and authentic feedback or criticism what you get. And you have to work upon that. So that will help you to improve your performance in the near future in whatever you're going to do it. Now, negative feedback, you have to absolutely ignore it. Trust me, even I had a lot of criticism. I had faced everything. Just ignoring is the right job. Don't take it to your heart. Hindi mein we say no, अरे दिल पे मत लेना. Don't take it to your heart. Just ignore it. Those are all negative criticism. You don't have to bother it at all about it. You must have seen all the social media platforms have given you, they have given you this two options of accepting and ignoring the friend request. If you know that person want to become a friend, accept it. Don't want, ignore it. So just ignore all the negative criticism. And the third one is the sake of giving feedback. They just talk for the sake of talking. Nobody asked for feedback, nothing. They are just coming and bluffing around, giving some kind of negative or just speaking for the sake of speaking. Again, you have to ignore them and be aware about these people because they are very dangerous. They will not even help you. Okay, they will directly try to push you down. Okay, they'll push you down. Okay, they are actually not good people at all. You must have witnessed many people that they don't even help you, but they are very much ready to give wrong. अरे वो ठीक होना चाहिए था, ऐसा करता था ना, ठीक हो सकता था. अरे that would have been better, no? So these kind of people, I'm sure that you must have encountered. So again, these people are somewhere useless, unwanted people, unwanted feedback. Again, ignore it. So these are the simple steps what you can follow, and you can ignore all of them. Okay, and especially for youngsters, they don't go for social gathering just because of those uncles and aunties who will definitely ask them about their career, or maybe तुम्हारा शादी कब है, when are you getting married? Okay, so these might be two reasons why most of the teenagers don't attend weddings. Okay, if it is closed one, a closed cousin, closed brother, sister, that's a different story. But थोड़ा सा दूर का होता है तो they refrain of attending just because of these uncle and aunties asking some questions about career. If you say I'm doing photography, they'll be like, photography, no career, leave it. But at the same time, if you ask what is your son or daughter is doing, that son or daughter might have 3-4 arrears in one semester. You never know. So whatever is good for you, whatever is best, go in the right track. It's not harming you, it's not harming others, it's good. From this video, the takeaway is simple, that work on constructive feedback, ignore the negative and the for the sake criticism. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Your Jose Michael signing off. Bye for now.